Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a card in your Revolut account. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add a card to your Revolut account. Maybe you want to add a different credit card, maybe a different debit card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, you're first going to log on to your Revolut account. Next, on the upper right hand corner, you want to click on the credit card icon and then click add new on the bottom hand side. So from here, you can add a physical card, you can add a virtual card, or you can add a single use card. So go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts as far as which card you want to add to your Revolut account. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a card to your Revolut account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.